More boutique, that's what the logo looks like. You can find them on Instagram. I will link the information for this company in the description box as well. They sent me a bunch of goodies, a bunch of earrings and stuff like that, like stuff that I love. You guys saw the pink shade that I did on Instagram. Whoop-de-whoop-whoop. Okay. And they also gave me a black one. Now these, like, honey, all right, get what the gettings. Okay. And some of these, some earrings and stuff like that. Really, really cute stuff. So make sure that you guys check them out. That's all I wanted to say. Okay. Okay, so I'm going high, closer to my dreams. I'm going high.